We're trying to figure out the total cost of a job. And the job is made up of a parts cost and a labor cost. And the problem tells me that there's 6% tax on each. So if you take the cost of parts and then multiply 0.06 times parts, this will give me the tax amount. If you add that together, that will give me the total cost for parts. Same thing for labor. If you take however much labor is and add to it the tax amount, and you calculate tax by taking 0.06 times however much the labor cost, that'll give you the total cost for labor. And there's a 1 there, so 1 plus 0.06 is 1.06, those are like terms, times parts, plus, same thing for labor, 1.06 times labor. But the problem goes on to tell me that the charge for parts, just parts alone, excluding tax, was $50. So the total charge is 1.06 times 50 plus 1.06 times L. So if I can figure out what L is, I know the total charge. So look at clue 1. The sales tax on the charge for labor was $9.60. So if I take 0.06 times the amount of labor, that will give me the sales tax amount, and they tell me that's $9.60. And I can solve this equation for L equals something, solve that equation, and plug that number in right here. Then I have my total charge. Clue 1 works. Clue 2. The total sales tax was $12.60. So if I take 0.06 times, my cost is $50 for parts plus labor. You multiply that sum by 0.06, that's going to give me the tax amount on both, which is $12.60. This equation only has one variable. You can solve it for L. L will be some number, and plug it in like we did for clue 2, and it works. That works as well. Both work independently. Your answer is D.